Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important processes on earth, that is photosynthesis. Ever wondered how plants turn sunlight into food and give us oxygen we breathe? Stick around as we break it down in a super simple and fun way. So let's get started. So first of all, what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is a fundamental biological process that allows green plants, algae and some bacteria to convert sunlight into energy they can use to grow and sustain life on earth. First, let's break down what photosynthesis is and why it matters. The term itself combines two Greek words, photo meaning light and synthesis meaning putting together. So photosynthesis literally means putting together with light. So, plants use this process to produce their own food, and as a byproduct, they release the oxygen that nearly all living things depend on to survive. The process takes place mainly in the leaves of plants inside the specialized cell structures called chloroplasts. This contain a green pigment called chlorophyll which captures light energy from the sun. But chlorophyll can only absorb specific colors of light, mainly the blue and the red wavelengths, which is why plants appear green in color. Now, what does a plant need for photosynthesis to happen? There are four key ingredients. Sunlight, which provides the energy to drive the process. Water, which is absorbed from the soil through the roots. Carbon dioxide, taken in from the air through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. Chlorophyll, the green pigment that captures light energy. So, how does this process work? During photosynthesis, chlorophyll captures sunlight and it uses the energy to transform water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air into glucose, which is a simple sugar that the plant uses as its main energy source. So the general chemical equation is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus light energy, which gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2. This means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water using light energy are converted into 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. So, photosynthesis occurs in two main stages, light dependent reactions and light independent reactions, also known as the Kelvin cycle. So in light dependent reactions, these plants use the sunlight to split water molecules, releasing oxygen and producing energy carriers, that is the ATP and NADPH. Whereas in light independent reactions, the plant uses the ATP and NADPH to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. So why is photosynthesis important? It is not just about plants making their own food. This process is the foundation of the food chain because almost every living organism relies either directly or indirectly on the plants for energy. Additionally, photosynthesis produces all the oxygen we breathe, and without it, there is no life on earth as we know it. So, in summary, photosynthesis is the process that transforms sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food for plants and oxygen for the planet. It is the key to sustaining life on Earth. Thank you.